will not be there. Yeah, what are you doing here? Huh? Please what?
Please!
Walk.
Where did she enter?
I don't know now. Eh?
How do you mean you don't know?
I don't know now. But imagine, how can we just miss this girl like this? Upon all those things which she carry, all those property which she just carry, you know, eh? Or just Julia Wadi, I bet it be idiot.
You
just
now
die. People is going out.
You know what? I don't think she moved beyond this point.
How?
I don't think so. Let's take her whatever we'll do for her.
Are you sure?
See, guy. Meet the look wow.
Wait here.
Wait. Joma, it was a good. Nah, Boya.
Please say the land. Just please the land.
Why?
Maga gave away. Oh, you pagi me magi.
Dede mama. Mama, Dede, don't bring it up. Dede, don't bring it up. Mama.
Mama, don't say the idiot. Don't say no.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mama.
Your face is somehow. My face is somehow. My face is somehow. My face is somehow because this girl is not back with the firewood. Onyekwa. Hey! Hey! Nna, what is it?
I was raped by 2 men in the bush.
Tell her. 2 men in the bush did what to you?
They raped me.
Why would they rape you? When you're carrying what a whole nation would carry, you blew so sorry, you see you were raped.
By the way, where's the firewood I sent you to bring?
Mama, didn't you hear her say she was raped? So? Oh, we should die of starvation because she was raped? Don't mind him.
What are you even saying? Will she be the first person to be raped? Wait oh, you didn't even come back with my cutlass. Ha, Mbano. See, before I inhale and exhale Ogora, you better go back and bring my cutlass and the firewood.
Ozubo.
If you like, go back and rape them.
Ozubo.
Mama, she's bleeding now.
Don't you bleed? She's bleeding.
Good for you.
Chicken not
That your virginity that has been swelling your head. I'm a virgin. It's gone. Hey, we look at ya.
Mama, this is not fair now.
Oh,
This is not fair. Now, this is wickedness. Now, this is not fair.
Okay, what is wrong with you?
See now, she's bleeding.
Oh, shut up. All the cocola and take away your senses. She's bleeding. Why would she bleed? Take off one human being will carry a dodo. Carry something that how many people should carry? Oblusia. Very greedy child. When she went out, she should have left half of the something in the house. Open the one in the oh wow, and then what the case is rape if
Your mates are out there hustling, no? You are just big for nothing. Big for nothing.
Hey, no, I'm trying to picture it. For where? For where anyways?
Those guys are very stupid. They are very stupid. What did they do? They did not do what we asked them to do. What did they do? Wait, what did they do? They raped that girl after beating her. They raped her? Yes. We told them to beat her, not rape her now. Oh. And why did they rape her? Hi. Can you tell me how you were rape where? Hi. One. I'm very angry. This was not what we asked them to do at all. But I must deal with them. Me fife. Ma wafa na otu afa bụ ndị ala. Bụkwa etu mụ asị wee bụrụ ndị ala. And then we call so many people bụ ndị ala na control. Yes. So by the time I join them being ndị ala with another ndị ala, they will see madness. We told them to beat her, not rape her. We told them to beat her, not rape her. And they went to please go. I know what to do. You trust me, right? Give me a memo. I told me that.
Mama. Bia. Mama, we can't keep waiting for this girl. Nico, I don't know where she has gone to.
Take, go and buy kerosene. I don't want your brothers to come back and say they're hungry.
So it's me that will go and buy it.
It is me that will go and buy it. Because take this money.
I don't like this kind of thing, no. Mama said if I catch her, the kind of beating I'll give her today.
Buy the kerosene, then you come back and catch her. Oh? Go.
I saw her in the bush with blood all over her body, so I brought her home.
Nah, let's take her to their house or hospital.
Yes. But first of all, go to the chemist and call the doctor for me. Please go.
Okay, Papa.
My father, excuse me. How many times will I warn you that I do not have a sister? She is not my sister. What is she doing in your house?
My father found her lying lifeless in the bush, blood all over her body.
Blood all over her body. Okay, when I get home, I'll give my mother the information. Please.
Why is she so careful about such a pressing issues?
Mama, you know what kept you now?
Hey, Mama, story is in town. Mama, you will not believe what I heard.
What did you hear?
Ginika said that Kasie is in their house.
Kasie is in their house?
Yes.
Doing what?
She said her father saw her in the bush, lying lifeless. And he now took her to the house.
Akukote. So that girl has decided to go and stay in Ejike's house. I've always said it. She wants to go into prostitution. Yes. Now she has seen the opportunity.
That's what she wants to do.
So Wadiro, she had better stay there. Never come back.
Hey, Mama?
Yes, now.
No, I'm not quite there. I will have to go and bring her back to this house. Because the work in this house is too much for me.
No, the work is too much for you. As if no one work in there, lazy girl.
I don't do it alone. Do you know what it took me to go and buy kerosene? See, I'm sweating.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? It took you how many hours to go and buy kerosene now?
It's not choncho. It's not choncho. Anyway, the kerosene is there. Go and cook so that I can eat. Me, I'm very, very hungry.
You're very hungry. I know, man. You're very hungry. Idiot. Look at all of them in this house. Lazy. You expect me to sit down and cook for you people? Ngwano, I'm not cooking for anybody again. More too, I need someone to take care of me. Also, why is it not I'm not fear. You can't do what means you see for me.
Doctor. Thank God you are here.
What's the deal? Ginika, excuse us.
Excuse us.
Mazi, we have to take her inside.
For what?
We need to take her inside. See, this treatment requires privacy.
Privacy?
Yes.
My friend, treat her here. What privacy? We are here together now. It's privacy now. Who again is here?
Mazi,
I am the doctor here. So whatever thing I said, you must obey.
That's what looks about doctor. Because I call you doctor. Eh? You're not a doctor. You're just opportunity to have one small chemist shop in this village. I'm calling you doctor. My friend, do something here. Yeah. Look at your eyes. I'm suspecting you. You're a suspect. You sure I'm not?
Hey, Maz, have I done anything bad to help you and handle your guest? Okay, no problem. If you insist, I will treat her here. Mr. Wadro. Mr. Wadro. Maz, you go and bring water for me. Get me water.
I should go and get you water. I'm not living here. Give me a car. Bring water for him. Me, lift two of you together. I will not do that. Give me a car, bring water for him.
Mama? Mama?
Mama, I heard what Omalicha said about Kasie being in Ichieji case. What are we still waiting for? Let's go there and find out if she's okay now. Are we not going to go? Mama? Mama? Are we going to go? Oh, goodness, why are you throwing things at me? Let's go and... Okay, we should leave her there. No problem now. If anything happens to her, how come I do up here?
I'm still worried why Mama Omalicha and her children have no come to see Kasie. Even when I told Omalicha how serious her condition is.
You made a very big mistake by telling her. No, Amalicha's mother and her children does not care for this girl.
But Papa, that is bad of them.
It's bad. It's bad. You are awake. You are awake. You are awake.
That's very good too.
You fainted in the bush, and I brought you home. Come on, let's go. See what happens now? You have to go to Mazi's house. Tell him to give you that money he's owing me. Use it, go to the market, buy food stuff so I can make good food for her. Okay?
But Papa, I think we should take her home now.
Not yet. She's weak. She needs rest. Go.
Okay, Papa.
Please, be fast. Thank God you are awake. Thank God. See what you have to do now. You have to go and take your bath. So you look fresh. My daughter have gone to get something for you. We cook good food for you. You rest before you go home. So go and you get water there. Go and take your bath. Okay? Get up. You can do that.
Thank you.
You can do that. You are awake. You are strong now. Where are you going to?
I'm going.
You're going home.
Thank you so much for saving my life. Thank you.
Thank you.
Papa, what happened to your clothes? Why
Okay.
is your clothes so wet like this?
I went to fetch water, but water poured on my clothes. I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Thank God you're okay. I just want to tell you that Icheze said that he's not owing you any money.
It's true. I forgot. I've collected the money. See, I forgot. Hey, give me nature. Hey.
Papa, you just stress me for nothing.
Sorry, Hey. Sorry.
Papa, I can't find Kasie.
She has gone.
She has gone?
She has gone. Stop bombarding me with all these questions. She has gone.
Ha. She has gone.
I'm sure as saying she has gone. As she has gone. Why Ebinum? She has gone. She has gone. She has gone.
You know, as my last born, you have to take care of your mother.
Mama, I know I have to take care of you. But I have elder ones now. If Ed is there, Henry is there, they should be up and doing first before talking about me now.
Nah, Emma and I believe so much in you. Mama, good evening. Mama? Did you just call me Mama?
Yes, Mama.
Oh, do not show me what we all. Do I look like your mother? Eh? Oh, don't you know your mother's face again? Do I look like your mother?
No, Ma.
Idiot. Where are you coming from? In short, there's no point asking. Better go back to Ejike's house. Nachiya.
Mama, please. I don't know how I got to his house. Please, I swear.
Hey, liar! You're a liar! You came back and told us you were raped. Of course, I knew you were lying. And now you went to Ejike's house to go and rape him.
No,
you must go back there.
please. I swear with my life. I don't know how I got there. I don't want to go back to his house again.
There's no point swearing on your life because you have no life. You don't know how you got there. Mba, Oji magic Oji. Will you get out of here?
Mama. Mama.
What?
Don't chase her away. At least now that she's here, she can stay. If she goes now, who's going to be doing the house chores? Normally, when go past.
Biko, Mama, wait to worry, Biko.
Do you promise to take care of me?
I will take care of you.
Nonsense. You didn't even come back with my cutlass. See, by the time I send you out, where will Ifa Dinobi? Where Zubumu walking on Uzo? I will buy 10 cutlasses. Get out, enter. Enter before I strangle you. Chikono Kwano, Onaga Kaubabu. Chikono Kwano, Jababwa. Hey, if I know I'm at the time, no. Naja, what I'm milling Kakwacha.
There's nothing there now.
I'm tired of living. Ijemo, Ijuamo, with a
Omalicham. Papando. Achalugo. Meme. You look more beautiful by the day. You
know, you're very, very lucky to have me.
I'm not disputing it. I'm very, very lucky to have you.
So, I am just managing you.
So
but I am just managing.
I thank God that at least you are managing me.
You always admit it.
Okay, so let's go to our usual place. This all can catch for.
See, when we get there, you touch only up, you will not touch down.
But it's been long I did not touch down now. I only touch up.
No, you touch up. Touch only up.
No, I will touch down.
No, I don't want to touch down.
Let's go this side so your mom will see.
I gave her the wrapper.
You gave her the wrapper? Why did you give her my wrapper?
Mama, she washed her clothes and there was nothing for her to wear now.
She should have gone naked. Mommy, okay, so you gave her my wrapper and she tied it. Hey! Mama, she's not
tying the wrapper. Mama, it's okay.
Don't tell me it's okay. Don't tell me that. See, years back, her mother beat me just because my husband gave me her wrapper to tie. This girl don't come, but the painful thing is that the anger is still inside me, and I am going to vet it on
Kasie, why don't you just leave this house? Run away.
Where do I run to? Who do I know? I don't have any place to go to. I don't have anybody.
Stop crying. Stop crying. Just stop crying. I just don't understand why my mother is taking out your mother's wickedness towards her on you. It's not fair now. It's not fair.
I just feel like taking my life. I just feel like dying so I can go and rest. I'm tired of all this.
Please don't say that.
I'm tired of this life. Ochoko, please.
You can't take your own life. You can't take your own life now. Suicide is never an option.
Mama.
Don't worry, it's going to be fine. Stop crying. Don't worry, everything will be fine.
Don't you go. Please. Mama mo. Mama mo. To deserve this. Mama. Mama. To feel this pain. Mama. I need an answer. I'm tired of living.
Hey! Omalicham. And then a bed, John. Yorim. Hey, I know what to do. Good morning. So beautiful.
Thank you.
And ravishing.
Thank you. You know, you told me to be looking good.
Of course.
So I decided to put like this.
You so good. Thank you. You're looking so good.
Thank you. So, what's the occasion all about?
Come. You know, it's been a while I took you out.
Yes.
So I decided to take you out today. Kaije kokene. Let me show you.
Will I eat anunchi?
Nki ne kubo believe. When we get to Mama Oke's shop today, igafo ebanki ya no malo no mwaka na kpochu di n'obodo.
Okay, Mama Oke's shop. I can't wait to go there.
What are you getting off here? Is it? Chineke me. Is it? Hey, look what is nganga. It's on them better. Sisio. Chineke le.
Listen, look at you. Listen, look at you. What is what?
Hey, look at you. In a better seat.
Nah, man, what? Listen, don't smart.
Listen, how come? How come?
It's been long, my guy. It's been long.
Hey, listen, how come? Listen, hey,
my guy.
Listen, you Kasie.
Now we thank God.
Listen, who owns this car?
Now my car. Now it's one of my cars. Now.
One of your cars?
Yeah, it's one of my cars.
Listen, Ibutegi Ike.
I will believe.
Hey!
My man.
Listen, this car is a very nice one. In fact, chara new one.
It's just one of my cars. Now.
One of your cars?
Yes. As you can see.
Hey, listen. I'm actually going to get something for my mother.
Okay, no problem.
So how do we see again
No problem. I'm going to my new site to supervise my work. So we see maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow.
You're even building?
One of my buildings.
Yes. Oh, you have a building in another place?
No problem, my guy. Enter motor now. Can you walk? Can you toliago Ebele? Can you toliago na? I wanna.
See, I'm actually going to somewhere. You know, my mother sent me to go and bring something. I want to go and bring something for her. Maybe we'll see later.
I want to follow now. I'm gonna mail something. I'm gonna go. Take off fresh, my guy.
Go. Let's go model. Hey! Ezesco. Hey! Listen, I will remind you of a song. Onyami odo. Eze doya.
My guy. I will follow. My guy. No problem. Just take good care of yourself. Let me see if I have come back or see it. It's your My man.
We'll see later.
No problem.
God bless you.
No problem.
Bless you. God should keep blessing. Put blessing on top of blessing for you.
No problem. Greet your mom for me, okay? No problem, my guy. See you later.
All right. Okay, I will even greet my sister for you.
No problem. No problem.
Hey, let's go. Hey. Hey.
I'm getting mad. So what's the movie risky, body whiskey, that's tipsy.
Is it my one? Ogidiya, is this you? Eze Butegi Ike. Eze is now as a man. I will come and meet you later. Eze, surrender, hey!
Sanga said I can't give myself.
Because we tell her you see who. Madam,
is that not my wife?
I'm a wife. The one who's been marrying with your mouth all these years.
She's one. No, should I call her? Yes. If you want me to call her, I'll call her. Omalicha.
Biko.
It's a lie.
Cheers. If you know what is good for you, stay out of my way.
Why are you avoiding me?
I am warning you. I'm a warning.
Why are you warning me? You don't warn me. Your husband is no longer alive. I expected that before now could have done the needful.
Done which needful? Done which needful with Guinea? Because they yell at white and come through. Nonsense. Let's see.
Is that what you're saying? Don't allow me to do what I have in mind, though.
Mama, as you are seeing me now, I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. Eh?
I feel so useless here. Adam Konye the useless. Eh? Adam Konye the useless Ebele form. Eh? Look at my mates. They are out there making money. Enjoying themselves. On X-Man's period like this, they will come back. They will be spreading money. You'll be asking yourself, is this not your mate? And I'll be here eating Mama thank you in the morning, Mama thank you in the afternoon, Mama thank you in the night. Mama, I want to leave this village.
If I may ask, which of your mates are making money?
Eze, my secondary school mate. Eze is now a multi-millionaire. Eze is now a multi-millionaire. If Eze now a piante, and I'm still here, Mama, I need to leave this village. In fact, Tochuku and I need to leave this village.
Exactly.
Oh, boy, a bad idea. But to leave this village, we will need a lot of money for you to be able to leave. Okay, ma.
We can get the money now. We can anyhow. We can get the money.
You can get the money from where?
Mama, Uncle, why Jojo? I've been waiting for this very question. Mama, we have too many lands. If we are able to sell 1 or 2 of the lands, we'll be able to go anywhere we want to go to. I can say you bully away, but all
If I may ask a question, if we sell your land, when you're ready to build tomorrow, where would you build?
Mama, just sell the land first and give us the money. We'll travel and go to the city, hustle. We can hustle now. When we come back to this village,
if we are your man, I have Okorobia. I have look at Ifede. Look at beers on his job.
Your own is even turning brown. You see?
Obura fufu de be afọ brown. Oh, chipunku. Nkwa na say thank you. Mama thank you. Onyanko thank you. It's the same thing. Anyway, no problem. A piece of land will be sold. But that land is not your own.
So, who owns the land?
Nah. Dio chikosi for funenu nku. Oba amamo. Apoziano muka. You see, in our culture, a woman does not inherit land. If you come, I did not inherit any land from my father. Neither would Omalicha inherit anything from her father. Anyway, the reason I called you here is to let you know that that piece of land that my husband gave to your mother, which you have inherited, I am going to sell it. Gaily. Now, if the elders should ask if you gave your consent, I expect you to say yes. Failure of which would lead to your death. Do you understand what I'm saying? Do you understand what I am saying?
Yes, Mama.
Thank you.
To deserve this, oh, I need an answer.
Ichejike, you've heard what Nneoma said. So tell me, what do you have to say?
What is surprising me is why Nneoma insisted on selling this particular piece of land, when her children have up to 10 plots to sell from.
I don't understand. Well, if you ask me, Tasia is here. Let's hear from her. Tasia, Nneoma said you agree on some of that land. Is that true? Say something. What?
Meaning no.
What do you mean, meaning? She has not said
Meaning
anything.
no.
Ha!
Well,
she's scared.
Chejike, you know, we are the elders in this family. Now, please, what's your opinion on this matter?
Kasie has no courage to say no. Me, I don't think I have the courage to say yes.
Yeah.
So, what about?
If Kasie maybe the owner of the land could not say yes, who am I to say yes? Yes.
Nneoma, you've heard it. Nobody could say yes. And the elders, we are not complete here.
If you say so.
We are not complete here. And we can't say yes. So for now, stay away from that land. For now.
At least for now.
For now. We people can go.
We heard it. We people can go. Get up. Yes. Let us go.
Oh,
for deceiving me, I will kill that man. That's your meaning.
See, if that plan did not work, I suggest we go for plan B.
Plan B? No.
They can't join Kasie. Were you playing pranks or what?
No, ma, I was not.
No, you were not. No, give me Nneoma.
No, give me Nneoma. Now, wait, forgive one. But let me tell you, you see that piece of land? I will sell it. Whether you or anybody likes it or not. Let's go here.
Stamp. Stamp on me.
I know if you're Bob, no, I'm young. Seba Susu Pukanariana.
I'm your Koda Kanisi. I don't want.
Mama, your wish is my command. Your wish is our command, though. See, Mama, I'm just waiting for you to say something. I'm waiting for you to wish so that I will do something. Just wish. Open it from now. On a man pole na who? On a woman who? On a man pole kwa kuku.
Now I'll come on and now do it.
What is making you laugh? What is funny here?
All because of me, cloud of agony has taken over me. I am voiceless. Oh God, I need your help, I need your help. Oh God.
Are you still angry?
Are you seriously asking me that after what you did?
But I have told you sorry. I said I am sorry.
Okay. You're sorry. So tell me, how could you insult me like that? Like I am nothing, just because of a guy that I don't know your relationship with him. Okay, now tell me, what kind of a woman will go out with a man, abandon him and go and sit with another?
Don't forget, my brothers were also on that same table.
You and I know that you did not sit on that table because of your brothers. You sat there abandoning me because of that guy. You obviously have serious crush on him, or don't you?
Please don't ask me.
I will ask you that question. I will ask you.
I'm not ready to answer this your question.
You see? Have you seen it? Then I'll take your refusal to answer. I say yes. I know you are crushing on him.
Please, Judy. If you will continue like this, I have to leave you and go back to my house. Please! I came here to tell you that I'm sorry, but you're making it look as if it's a big deal. What is it? I've told you I'm sorry and you're still angry. Why are you angry? Why are you angry now? Please, I'm going. Oh, please.
Omalicha! Omalicha, come back here!
That thing is still bothering me. It's still bothering me. I suggest we avoid further delay. We avoid further delay. I want to go out there in the village and look for buyer myself. I must see a buyer once I get to the village.
You know, I've told you and your brother severally, and I'm saying it again now. You people should not sell your land. Even if you have 10 plots, don't even sell one. If you want to build tomorrow, what would you build? Besides, you're going to have children. What do you leave behind for them? I will try and convince the elders to change their mind on the issue of that Kasie's land. I know what I'm doing.
Makana eme ngwangwa eme arodachi. Ngwangwa eme arodachi. Maka obu na elu oge. I might go and sell the land myself. O go make you myself. So what do? Mama, please, is there any food in the house that I can eat? I'm hungry. At least I need something to eat. In the morning I'm not eating.
Mama, not the kitchen. He's worried. If the could candy is worried. Onweka police ali kubu inuzo. You're hungry. Just show you one here and you pay.
Hey, he's so sweet, so gentle, and to crown it all, Mama, he is rich.
Hey! Oh God, this is the kind of news I like to hear. And from the way you're acting, it's obvious you're already falling in love.
See, Mama, let me tell you, I've been having feelings for him right from our secondary school days.
From secondary school days, you've been looking at a man, having feelings. Hey! Oh, Malicha, he gave boom mad. If I may ask, when is he coming with his people to see your parents? You know, it's only when a man comes with his people to see parents that you know he's really, really serious about the relationship. Yes.
Okay. I'll talk to him about it. Yes.
That is good. I think this man will make a difference in this family. He will be of great use to us.
Yes, Mama.
Especially as your husband.
Yes, Mama. He's loaded.
Anyway, you have to learn to cook now.
Mama, he'll be cooking for me.
Yes,
because he loves me so much.
Oh yeah, your father not time.
Mama, show much not time.
And the advice say now better listen.
Mama, you come and be cooking for me.
But no, possible.
I'll be paying you.
But don't pay
I
me.
have money. I'm marrying a rich husband.
My uncle will give me money.
Kasie, carry it there. Carry it and go and serve them. Then you come back for your own food.
Okay.
Be careful.
Where? You sending me
2 pieces of meat.
You know, I can have 2 pieces of meat.
Meat. One is very annual. I see no meat.
Mama?
Where is the as okay feed? That no never ever no sasaba. No. No want me. You people are complaining about Azu and meat. When you were all stealing my meat in Azu, I want
Mama, it's them. Oh, look at them. See them.
This is called rice without. Eat it.
Come, are you okay? Listen, hey! The only Azamano I used to know. Different Azamano. Chineke. Azamano. Hey! Kasie. Look at this food in the house. Now why now?
Mama has finished sharing everything.
No. Eze, my man is around now. Please, I want you to go in there and get something for him to eat.
Have you finished your own food? There is no food.
Even if it's this your own, look for something and join and bring it now. Just do it for me now. In the music on the boss guy.
I don't like this. I don't like this.
Just look for some food and put it there. If there is still meat, you add, You know, he came back from abroad. Biko,
I wanted to get water, but I will have to mix
Mama,
it.
Something
strong for it.
As a man. Right now. Hey!
Someone went car. Get even give it a video.
Let's eat. Enjoy yourself. How is your business now?
God will believe it. No small thing, my God. Thank God.
Hey! I will believe you. But tell Omalicha I'll be back in 2 days' time to see her.
I will do just that. I will tell her.
Nah, chelu kabia. Tupu nabanga melo nife. Nga walo na oji. Hey,
Azamano. Azamano. Azamano.
Eze boom boom.
Okay, listen now. Eze boom boom. Hey. Oh yeah, no. Eze boom boom.
Nah.
Hey.
Hey. Is this one for me? Okay, well, now. Hey!
Hey! Make a look of I have got to mine.
Hey! Abazu. Eze boom boom.
Azamano.
Eze boom boom. Hey! Oga drink number. Na me to ba kana zubiko ba. Oga drink number. Obagoli. Ngwa na oga adi na.
Listen, see, before you go, I will sing a song for you.
I will go see her.
Now listen. Onyami odo. Is it true down? Is it true down?
Just buy me something in secondary school.
Secondary school days.
Eze boom boom.
Onyami odo. I will tell my sister.
Hey!
I will tell her.
Eze boom boom. Eze.
What is it? Okay.
Eze.
What is it?
Hey! Eze.
What is it? Mama! What is it now? Talk to me. Mama! What is it?
Yes, Mama.
Hey! What is it? I don't know.
He just finished eating and he fell there.
Exactly.
He ate twice?
Yes.
Yes. Which rice? Who gave him rice to eat?
It's Kasie.
Kasie Mobi.
Yes,
Mama, he's not moving, no. He's not moving again, no.
The same food you gave me to eat was what I served him.
Mama, he's not moving, no. He's still not moving.
Kasie Mobi,
my man. Is this you? Who will send money to me again? No, but don't care. Can you call him?
This is sacrilege.
Yes.
We have not seen or heard of this type in decades.
Yes.
Nora,
Your Highness.
how did this young man die of food poisoning after eating in your house?
Your Highness, Ndiche, I don't know. We all ate the same food in my house. But because Kasie was the one that served him the food. Maybe she added something in the food she gave him.
Mama.
Is it true you served the food?
Yes, Your Highness. I didn't poison him. I only served him the food I was supposed to eat, Your Highness.
She must have added something.
Yes.
Mama, please.
Mama, what?
I didn't do it. Mama, why would I want to kill him?
You're asking me.
Leave my mother for me.
I know why she poisoned him. She poisoned him out of jealousy.
Hey! Mama, please!
Out of jealousy, because my daughter was going to marry a rich man.
Hey!
Mama, why
because
you
don't
have anybody coming from you.
Mama,
shame on you!
I swear with my life, why would I want to kill him?
Keep swearing.
Why would I want to kill him? Please.
Our tradition must take its full course. Whoever kills must be killed.
Hey!
Before they metal. Before they metal. That is the tradition.
Who will wipe my tears away? I need help, oh Lord. What have I done to deserve this? Oh, I need an answer. What have I done to feel this pain? Oh, I need an answer. Oh, Ijamo, I'm tired of living. Gossip everywhere, hatred everywhere. All because of me. Cloud of agony has taken over me. I am voiceless. Oh God, need your help, oh God, what have I done to deserve this? Oh, I need an answer. What have I done to feel this pain? Oh, I need an answer. Oh, all because of me. Cloud of agony has taken over me.
Why is it that whenever I'm about seeing a breakthrough in my life, a demon will come from nowhere, will come from nowhere and take it away. And take it away. I said, my man. I said, Ego.
I wanted to take that woman. I should have sent her away. Even non-Jirapo, that girl is evil. She has brought embarrassment to this family, spoiled her name, and even taking away the one good thing that is about to happen in this family. Can no DC be for people?
Mama, Eze is gone. Mama, the love of my life is gone. Hey!
Hey! You make me to start crying.
The only one man I have loved, Mama.
Oh, man, it's a love.
The only man that is taking good care of me
has gone.
The only one that is bringing money for us to cook food, Mama. The only one that is changing my clothes, Mama.
Praising Abanti.
Mama, the only person that is giving me money to buy food, Mama.
Hey, the love rice.
Mama, who will give me money to buy powder again? Mama, who will change my panties again? Mama, are we going to do this thing now? Hey!
very kind. He's a very kind man. Eh? No problem. It's a problem. That's a problem.
They have challenged the gods. Somebody has taken her away. They have put their fingers into the god's eye. She must be found.
Are you still here?
I'm gone.
Wait. Hey!
What's this? Nah.
Wait, don't you normally. Let's go, Mama, let's go. Hey! They have taken her away.
Taking on ya?
Kasie!
Hey!
Someone must have taken her away. Yes. She's no longer there. I'm going to the Igwe Palace. Yes, let me go see the Igwe.
Hey! Chinibo! Let us go.
Mama, Biko, just go home, eh? When we come back, we'll tell you what we found out, okay?
Pardon, I want to go.
We are coming.
Hey! Kasie kwa? Eh? Who must have taken her away? Okuna fugo muna trouble. Who took her away? Hey!
What have I done to deserve this? Oh, I need an answer. What have I done to feel this pain? Oh, I need an answer. Oh, Ijemo. I'm tired of living. Ijemo. What am I living for? I have never known joy. I have never known peace. I have been through pains, unseen wounds in my heart. Chimo, I've never been appreciated. Sorrows is my pillow. Where do I go from here? Whoa. Who will wipe my tears away? I need help. Oh Lord, what have I done to deserve?
No book what the food in the boy. They are taking her away. Hey! And tradition must take its course. What are they about this year also? Ogini? Youth! Search for her and bring her back. She must die.
Yes!
She must die!
Yes!
Go. Must find her.
Yes! The gods are angry.
deserve this. Oh, I need an answer. Whatever done to feel this pain. Oh, I need an answer. Oh, Ijemo, Ijemo. I'm tired of living. Ijemo, Ijuamo. What am I living for? I have never known joy. I have never known peace. I have been through pains, unseen wounds in my heart. Chimo, I've never been appreciated. Sorrows is my pillow. Epic anger, where do I go from here? Oh, who will wipe my tears away? I need help, I need help. Oh Lord, what have I done to deserve this? Oh, I need an answer. What have I done to feel this pain? Oh, I need an answer. Oh, Ijemo, Ijemo. I'm tired of living. Ijemo, Ijuamo. What am I living for? This is too much for me. I am married to Rumania. I'm broken, I'm broken. Chukwokike, I need your help. I'm losing it, I'm losing it, I'm losing my mind. Gossip everywhere, hatred everywhere. All because of me. Cloud of agony has taken over me. I am voiceless. Oh God, I need your help, I need your help. Oh God, what have I done to deserve this? Oh, I need an answer. Whatever done to feel this pain. Oh, I need I've never been appreciated. Sorrows is my pillow. Ebekanga, where do I go from here? Whoa. Who would wipe my tears away? I need help, I need help. Oh Lord, what have I done to deserve this? Oh, I need an answer. What have I done to feel this pain? Oh, I need an answer. Oh, Ijemo, Ijemo. I'm tired of living. Ijemo, Ijuamo. What am I living for? This is too much for me. I am married to Romania. I'm broken. Chukwokike, I need your help. I'm losing it, I'm losing my mind. Gossip everywhere, hatred everywhere. All because of me. Cloud of agony has taken over me. I am voiceless. Oh God.
You sent for me.
Son, so this is now part of your medical practice. By going off the street, picking Dick, Harry and Tom, dead people off the street, back to the house for treatment. I'm asking you.
Mom. Mom, you made it look like it has happened before.
You should have taken that girl to the hospital instead.
It was a life and death emergency. And the house was the only option. Look, Mom, I followed my instinct. This shouldn't bother you.
Really?
Of course.
Do I look bothered? But I'm trying to check your so-called instincts. Now, has it occurred to you that miserable-looking girl that is unconscious might regain her consciousness and accuse you of kidnapping her, considering the kind of world we live in now? Did it occur to you?
Well, yes, Mom, you have a point. But then, seeing her in that situation, the only thing that came to my mind was just, trying to help a dying woman. But that's not a problem. That shouldn't bother you. Once she gains consciousness, I will send her back, hopefully tomorrow.
Oh, you better do.
What am I living for? This is too much for me. I am married to Romania. I'm broken. Chukwokike, I need your help. I'm losing my mind. Gossip everywhere, hatred everywhere.
Mom, it's unbelievable. They couldn't even afford a syringe. Common syringe. Talk more of the hospital bill.
So it was quite incredible. I just have to say goodbye first because. Hey!
Excuse me. A minute.
What an uncivilized monkey. Can you imagine?
Don't kill me.
Easy.
Please.
No, I can't kill you. I'm not a murderer. Easy. See, actually, I saved your life. I saw you lying down on the streets, so I brought you here. My name is Francis. I'm a medical doctor. Just calm down, okay?
I can't believe I'm still alive. It's a miracle.
Oh yes, it's a miracle. I think you've gone through a lot.
Thank you so much for saving my life. But please, can I go?
No, you cannot go back to the streets. You might be kidnapped again. Listen, just calm down, okay? Don't be tensed. You are going to stay here for now till you figure out what to do with your life. Okay? Hey, don't be scared. I'm a friend. I'm trying to help you, okay?
Please.
I'm not going to hurt you. Just be fine. Still. Don't be tense. Very good. Okay, so let's go inside.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I can see you're much better now.
Yes, ma'am. I'm fine. Thank you so much, ma'am.
My regards to your people when you get home.
Actually, Mom, she won't be going home. She will be, staying here with us for some time.
I beg your pardon. You can't be serious.
Mom, I'm serious. This girl is homeless. She doesn't have anyone or who to go to. I'm thinking we can at least keep her here till she figures out what to do with herself. Please. You see, we can actually give her a helping hand to avoid... Mother.
Bros, if she doesn't want me to stay, I can go. Please.
No, you can't go. Don't worry about my mother. I'll talk to her. Alright, come so you freshen up.
Inside?
Of course inside. Let's go, don't be scared. Let's go. Don't be scared.
What is going on? Come on, get up! Can you imagine? Get up! Come on! Are you mad? What are you doing in my kitchen? How?
Oh my goodness. Oh God. I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry, sir.
It's okay.
It's not okay, son. What do you mean it's okay? Is she mad? Are you insane? You left the whole rooms in this house only for you to carry your stinking body and start sleeping in my kitchen. Are you mad?
It's okay. Just let it go.
Stop patronizing me.
Yes. Ma, please. I didn't see this thing. I didn't see this thing in the kitchen. It's everywhere.
And what thing is that?
Yeah, on tomorrow. So I now run to the kitchen.
Shame on you. You're such a mad girl. You're laughing.
Oh, well, come on. This is funny. Listen. Kasie. This is not harmful. This is AC, air conditioner. It cools you off. Alright? It's not harmful. You could have just told me and I'll switch it off. Next time, tell me, or I'll teach you how to use it. Alright?
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
You will teach him. Look at you, my son. You're now in kindergarten. You will teach her, my medical daughter.
Mom, isn't this funny?
Leave me.
This is funny.
Okay.
So, don't worry. It's not harmful. It's AC. It's meant to cool you. Alright. So if you need anything, come talk to me. You still don't want to tell me the secret of your glaring beauty?
Come and flatter me.
I'm not flattering you. I'm telling you the truth. You're getting more beautiful day by day. I missed you.
Hey, stop it. But I was here 3 days ago.
Yeah, I know. Well, 3 days is like the whole year to me.
Frank, you see, I think I like the way you love me. But you know, it's a good thing. It's okay, it's cool.
You think?
Yes, I think. You have a problem with that?
Not really. I just feel it's high time you stopped and
do what?
Acknowledge me. That's basically why I said that.
Then it means you're not audible enough.
Oh, here they are. Sorry, guys. I may have to crash your party. I've been bored inside.
Come join us, please.
My darling, thank you.
Yeah, your mom.
Let me sip little.
What?
What's that smell?
Smell.
Can't you guys perceive it?
Smells like a burning bridge or something.
Oh, yes! Like someone is burning something somewhere.
It must be from the neighboring estate.
Excuse me.
Alright, man.
My goodness! What is going on here? I'm asking you! What are you doing here? Are you mad? Do you want to burn down my son's house? Mama, what is this? Francis! Ryan! Ask Francis where he got monkey from?
What is this now? What's the meaning of this?
I'm sorry, sir.
Why are you cooking here? Is the gas not there? Why can't you cook in there?
I'm sorry. I don't know how to use that fire in the kitchen. And the rice and grass they bring to me, I can't eat it, sir. I brought red oil and white yam.
You come and tell me now. If that's what you're meant to do, you come and call me. Mom, it's okay.
No, listen, Mom. It's not okay. If you do not want your mother to end up in jail, now I want you to return this monkey back to zoo where you brought her from.
I'm not from this. I'm not from zoo.
Oh, really?
I'm from my village.
For real? I think I'm with your mom on this. This girl is so uncivilized to be in this.
Can you imagine?
Eating this kind of girl.
You can't eat grass.
Just imagine.
Foolish idiot. Mama! I hate her. Rubbish.
Just stop this. This is not nice. Stop crying. It's okay. Where are you going to?
I want to go back to my village. I want to go there and die.
It's okay, alright? Listen. I want you to know that I'm here for you. Okay? And I'll do everything to support you. My mother is here to get used to you. She's not really like that. Okay? You're not going back to the village. I will take care of you.
Dede, please, I don't want to have problem with your mother. Let me go back to my village.
Okay. How about we do it this way? I'll get a house for you elsewhere since you're not comfortable here.
Thank you. But why is my life like this? Why is my life full of suffering?
It's okay. It's okay. Alright? It's okay. Just come. Come this side. It's okay. Come. Come.
Dad, I want to go. Mama!
It's okay. Okay? I'm here to take care of you.
Okay. Yeah. I know. You just
no, I don't do that.
I understand.
You should be taking that girl back to the forest where you picked her from.
So what are you doing sitting down here?
Changed my mind.
What do you mean change your mind?
Of course I'm dead serious. I changed my mind. You see, not everyone is opportune to be exposed as others. And that doesn't mean we should discriminate them because of their timidity. In her case, I have chosen to help her, give her all the assistance she needs to become a better woman. Or a classic woman, like you said. She is not an animal. She is not from the zoo. She is a human just like us. So all I want you to do, mother, is to understand that and cut her some slacks. Please.
So you now flaunt my orders simply because of that girl?
Oh no, I'm not flaunting your orders, mother. I just want you to put her in your shoes.
Fine. Let her stay. Alright? Francis, let her stay. I'm sure you'll be happy for her to become your mother. Rubbish.
You know what? Call me when you miss me enough. And when you're ready to do I and your mother's bidding. Rubbish.
So I hope you still remember everything I taught you. You haven't forgotten how to switch on the AC, right? Very good. And how to switch on the TV, right? Very good. So, most importantly, the gas. You still remember how to use it, right? Very good. Good. Give me 5. That's my girl. Okay, and the water heater, right? Yes. Very good. Very good. I know you won't forget. Okay, so, well, I have made arrangements for your school. You are going to start going to school. I have registered you already. So they are coming here tomorrow to get your measurement and get you a new school uniform. You want to go to school, right?
To go to school.
You want to go to school?
Dede, brother, thank you.
Wow, I'm glad you know.
Dede, brother, thank you.
It's okay. It's okay.
Mama.
No, it's not a burial. It's just school. Hey, stop. I'm glad you have the idea of going to school. It's okay. No. Don't be like that.
Mama.
Maggie's in the village. It's okay. She's going to be proud. She's going to be really proud. Proud of you, eh? Go to school and make her proud. I know you're not happy with me. I'm sorry for being insistent on keeping the girl. But just that I cannot help sending a homeless girl away. I cannot do such a thing.
My doctor, baby daycare. Francis, are you developing feelings for that girl?
No, why would you say that?
I hope so. I hope so too. For you keeping that girl in this house against my wish. Alright, I've come to terms with it. But let me tell you something. You see that girl? has spoiled a relationship between you and I. Son and mother. She has spoiled it. Now I want you to get used to it. Because right now, you will see the other side of your mother.
Mom, please, you just have to take it easy on me. Please. Excuse me.
Where she come from doesn't matter to me. She's the one I wanna be with forever. She's the one I want to be with forever. Whatever they say about you is not my problem. Whatever they think about you is not my concern. You are the one my heart belongs to. You are the one my love is meant for. Oh, don't cry no more. I'm here for you.
Are you supposed to be alone?
I couldn't sleep.
Would you?
I don't know how this might sound, but the truth is that gradually fall in love with you.
You have been a good sense to me. And you've been fighting for me, even against all odds. I'll be lying if I said I don't have feelings for you. But you have a girlfriend.
Well, I'm not really having a good vibe in that relationship. On God, yes. I cannot continue. I'm not getting what I want.
You can't be serious.
I'm very serious. I want you to tell me the truth and be very real to me. Look me in the eyes and tell me you don't love me.
Whatever they say about you is not my problem. Whatever they think about you is not my concern. You are the one my heart belongs to.
How are you doing?
You know, for the first time since we have been dating, I have seen it in your eyes that you never missed me.
Well, I don't know what my eye says, but I know you gave me an ultimatum which I haven't fulfilled.
So that's why you stay away completely. Really?
What would you have me do? I mean, the girl you and my mom signed off because of her timidity is still here, so I just feel, what's the point?
You know what? You have proven to me that you do not value this relationship. Yes. All the undying love you have been prophesizing to me was just deceit. Yes. You are full of deceit.
Well, let's say these few days I had a reflection of what we call relationship. Actually, because I know it's not a relationship, because all these while I've been trying to express my undying love for you, which you never reciprocate. Yes. So I said to myself, what's the point of making advances to who do not value me?
But really now? Really?
Oh yes, you know that.
Suit yourself. And you will look for me.
That can never happen. Are you listening? If that girl has hypnotized you, now you better come back to your senses. I'm talking to you, son. You can never jilt Diane to marry that imbecile. Never. I'm still alive, your mother. I will never allow you make such mistakes.
So as it seems, mother, I have made my choice.
Really? That choice of yours has error. Do you even know anything about that gutter girl?
Of course I do, mother.
Really?
I know everything I need to know about her. And I'm fully convinced that she's the right one for me. She's the woman I want to go grey with. As a matter of fact, I'll be going to see her people next week, and I will want you to come with me. Please get ready.
Whatever they say about you is not my problem. Whatever they think about you is not my concern. You are the one my heart belongs to. You are the one my love is meant for. Oh.
Papa, are you okay?
I'm fine.
But you don't look okay.
Gemeka, I am fine.
You are fine. Are you sure you are fine?
I said I'm fine. I am fine.
Okay, I'm just trying to show concern. Sorry.
What level of witchcraft did you use on my son?
Mom, I've not done anything to him.
I've always had a hunch feelings about you coming into this house, and I wasn't wrong. Now look at me when I'm talking to you. You have succeeded in ruining the relationship between my son and I. And you're about to spoil the relationship between my son and Diane. Now you listen to me, you witch. You are nowhere in our class. And never will you be. I want you to leave my son alone. Leave everything that has to do with us. For good.
I called this meeting. And it's meant for men alone. That's why your sister Omalicha is not here.
Mazi, I don't think this meeting should hold. This is not the time. When I am ready, then we'll call for this meeting.
Meaning?
But you just said yourself now that women are not to be part of the meeting. Am I not a woman? We'll leave it though. Later we'll talk about whatever you want us to talk about.
Nneoma, when will you stop deceiving your children? When will you tell them the truth?
What do you mean?
Yes,
Tell them which truth.
What truth are you? What truth are you talking about?
Mama, what is he talking about, Mama?
You people know Ejike now. You know Mazi, how he talks. I don't know what he's talking about.
Mazi, please. If you are not serious, you better tell us. What is it? What is it that she's not telling us?
Tell your children the truth. Tell them the truth. What truth? Kasie.
Kasie.
Rapun kambuenwa. Mama.
Because our wives. Kasie, you're welcome.
Kasie.
Who is this with you?
She's Chief Mrs. Carlo, the mother of my fiancé.
Also, forgive me.
Don't you? Yes, it flows.
Yeah.
The mother of Gucci. Sit down, Eiffel. Sit down.
Thank you. Forgive me.
Fiancé.
Hi, now I'm a shorted.
Thank you.
Chief Mrs.
Carlo.
Carlo, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Anyway, Kasie has been staying with my son and I for some time now. So I decided to bring Kasie home at least to know where she comes from. Well, my son is interested in Kasie and would want to marry her.
You don't know her.
You're welcome.
You don't know her.
You're welcome. Kasie, you're welcome.
Thank you.
As you can see, you let us in a mood of a discussion. And you're part of us. I have to continue.
No, we continue the discussion later. Omazi Ejike. Omazi, can I see you at the backyard?
No, ma.
Mama, why are you getting uncomfortable?
Tell your children the truth.
Mama, why are you running your eyes everywhere? Say something.
She's not comfortable.
No, ma. Tell them who is their real father.
Hey! Our real father?
Tell them who their real biological father is.
Mama, you better say something.
Mama, say something now. Mama, why are you running your eyes everywhere? Say something. What's going on here?
She's acting confused.
Mama, tell us what we want to know. Tell us what we want to know. Who is our father?
Your father now that died.
Tell them. Sit down. Sit. Hey. Nneoma. Hey. Tell them who their real biological father is. The truth is, I am your real father. I'm your real biological father.
Jesus.
Mama, is he speaking the truth?
What did he say?
Mama, you heard him now. He said he's our real father.
Is that what he said?
That's what he said. You heard him now.
Because he raped me.
I raped you 4 times.
Yes! You see, your real father, the one that brought you up, Scorpion, on the something, he became dysfunctional. So he raped me.
4 times.
4 times.
You had 4 sons by him and you're saying he raped you. How?
That's not rape now. Can't you stop deceiving them? I raped you once.
Yes.
2nd time. 3rd time. 4th time.
He was raping me, but I had no choice because
Mama, you mean he is our biological father?
I said this all.
Hey!
Oh.
Mama,
Nana.
did he know that he was not our real father? I mean the man that raised us.
Don't call him man. He was your real father. Did he not love you? He left everything for all of you.
Mama, you cheated on him.
I did not cheat. I was raped. It wasn't
4 times.
a lie. 4 times.
Why is it rape now? It's not rape.
It's rape.
How?
He will ask her. She knows how it is when you are raped. Tell them.
Mama, it's not rape.
Tell you.
Your mother's husband was impotent. He cannot perform.
He can help.
Your mother was so desperate to have children. She met me, begged me to do 1 or 2 things with her. I refused. She kept on begging me, bringing food to my house, begging me, giving me things. At the time, I decided to help her and the husband. I gave her 4 children.
I didn't beg him. He raped me, so 4 of you. He kept raping me. I kept crying.
Hey!
Mama, he did the 1st one, the 2nd one, the 3rd one, the 4th one. Mama, it's not rape now. It's not rape. That one is not rape. Hey, what is all this now?
I feel so foolish. So as old as I am, I don't know who is my father.
I'm your father, man.
Aren't you old enough to be a man? Or see as old as I am? Yeah, you be your own father. Be your father's.
Look at your color. Look at your sister. Look at me.
Hey!
But he's dark.
That's why we are all fair. And he's dark.
He looks like you.
Huh?
Hey!
He's dark because the time he raped me for you people was Okochi. Ramadan. But his son was
Udumini. That's why he's dark.
Yes, because and I was struggling. I said, don't do it. He was doing it. That's why
he turned black.
Yes.
Hey!
Kasie, what kind of family is this? This is a drama family.
Oh, Snogin. My family, drama family. Drama family, I'm sure if they come to your own family, they will also have their own drama. One family, they want a drama. Hey.
Hi.
In short, let me free my soul. Let me just free my soul so that when I die, I go to heaven. You know, that day Eze died, I put small something in Kasie's food. Jesus! So that she will sleep because I didn't want to see her face that day. But if you remember, I gave my offer Eze to Leton, but she Mama. So Eze now ate the food and everything mixed together. Like they say, don't take vitamin C and Keda for one. So Eze well.
Hey! Mama, you ain't a Hey!
Wait, you
poisoned him.
No!
So you are responsible for Eze's death?
No!
Nneoma. So you wanted to poison your daughter?
Oh yeah. But Kasie is the person I wanted.
Kasie is your daughter.
Huh?
Kasie is your daughter.
It's a lie.
She is your daughter.
This is my mother.
She's your mother.
Hey!
No.
Your child that died is not your child. It belongs to the other wife. The children were swept at the hospital.
Jesus.
You had 4 children already. The woman met me to help her. Who did it? I'm sorry, my children. Please forgive me. Kasie is your daughter, but I'm not responsible for
Hey! Hey! Can I Hey! It's not more Kasie. Mama promise Kasie Bunobi.
Can you imagine this woman? They're telling you she's your daughter, and your own concern is her boobs. Oh yes!
It is boobs, no mama.
Oh!
Please have mercy on my mother, please. I beg you in the name of God, please.
Young lady, don't waste your time. Begging will not make me change tradition.
Yes.
Come tomorrow, she'll pay the ultimate price.
Igwe. Please, Igwe.
There's nothing that can be done.
Don't allow my mother to die,
There is
please.
nothing that can be done. She will be killed tomorrow.
She's all I have, please.
That's the
Igwe,
tradition.
please. Igwe. Igwe, please.
Your Highness, she will be killed.
Of course.
That's the
That's
tradition.
tradition.
No, I can't change it. I can't change it. That's the tradition.
Yes.
She can't die. I've spent half of my life without having the feel of my mother's love. And now that I'm about to have it, she's about to be taken away from me.
But she almost had you killed.
I know. And nobody is perfect. She's still my mom. And I don't want anything to happen to her. Nothing will change that, please. I don't want her to die.
Well, in as much as I don't like you anyways. Yes, I do not like you. But then, I would be a beast not to feel your pain. Not after all you've been through in life. Give me a minute. I'm going to make an offer to your king and his cabinet. An offer which they can't refuse.
Thank you so much.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Mrs. Kano, Kasie movie. Your mother will be released immediately.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you, no.
Thank you, Your Highness. I appreciate.
And feel free to visit us in this community. We'll be waiting for more and more of your visits. I would even consider giving you a chieftaincy title.
That would be wonderful. I'm grateful, Your Highness. Thank you, no. Thank you.
You're welcome, my dear.
Hi.
Hi. I came to give you some of your gifts. You gave to me. I've been trying so hard to get you off my mind. But it keeps reminding me of you. Here is your gift. Bye.
1 minute. You see, I actually don't believe this is coming from you. Almighty Diane. Meanwhile, what you told me on the phone, is it true?
It is what it is. I am pregnant for you. Bye.
1 minute.
So you people planned it? Eh? You planned it for them to rape me? Your own sister? Your own blood?
We're sorry.
What have I done to you people?
Because
What have I done?
See, I'm sorry. Just forgive.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry. We don't know what happened. Just forgive us.
Hey,
Okay? Kasia, please.
I'm sorry.
Kasia.
Just find a place in your heart to forgive us.
To forgive you?
Please.
Kasia,
after raping me? Don't touch me!
Kasia, look at my face.
So you planned it for them to rape me?
No. Just
Your own sister?
understand, please.
Oh my God.
Ndo, Biko. Oh, Kasim.
Oh my God.
Kasim. Oh, Kasim.
Forgive,
What have I done to you people?
You've done nothing to us. Kasia,
Oh my God.
Kasia, Biko.
Won't do it again.
Biko.
Kasim.
Hey.
Kasim.
Ezigbo nwanne nwanyị.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
We won't do it again. Will you do it again?
Please,
Please look at my face. It's me. It's me.
Your sister, what have I done?
Oh, we'll do this thing.
We will not do it. Will you do it again? It will not repeat itself again.
You made me go through pain. What have I done to you people?
Please now. I don't like you crying though. I don't like seeing you crying like this. You make me to start crying. Please.
Who she is doesn't matter.
What is your instinct? Tell me.
Where she come from doesn't mean it doesn't matter to me. She's the one I wanna be with forever.
Well, I think the pregnancy is mine, because while we were dating, I wasn't sure she cheated on me, but deep down, mother, I don't want that child coming from her.
I won't let you take
the life of not one but two of your unborn babies for my sake. I strongly believe the purpose of you coming into my life is not for us to get married, but to liberate me, which you have done. I have to let another woman have what the universe has made for her. And I know one day God will provide for me the right person. Thank you, man.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
You know, this door will always be open for you. And I will always get in touch.
It's okay. I hope London treats you well.
I hope so.
And as for your siblings, I do not want you to worry one bit about them. My son and I will take good care of them, set them up in whatsoever they wish to do.
I forgot to tell you that.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
It's alright. Oh, you take care of yourself.
Alright, let's run along before you miss your flight, huh?